Hi guys, so this is gonna be our first vlog, you could say. It's the morning. I already took Noah to school, and after I take Noah to school, I like to cuddle with my puppies. This is Nori, and over there is Mika. Hi Mika. She's a mini schnauzer, and the other one's a giant schnauzer. So today I'm gonna cut their hair because I always groom my dogs because it saves us a bunch of money and it's fun. So to cut her hair is like 45 bucks, and to cut the big one's hair is like 80 to 100 because she's huge. So yeah, hope you like it. Oh, my baby. Need ice, scissors, they're dog ones, a comb. I use this, but you just need a cup for your clippers. These are Andy's Ultra Edge, and a shop vac helps a lot. And then keep one dog over there. Nori knows that she's gonna cut her hair, that's why she's running away. She hates it. Nori, come here. Come on. Just cut your hair. And then I always wear my Crocs. You look so pretty. Mika. Oh, whoa. Mika. Hey guys, so I just finished editing the first vlog. That's Noah. He's eating his favorite food, Smack Ramen with Coke, and we're watching Fortnite videos. But I hope you liked it. It was just me grooming my dogs and what I did after. I'll try to make more videos that are maybe more interesting. They'll probably just be cake stuff. So yeah, thanks guys. Like and subscribe. Peace. Hater.
Are you gonna post that?
Yeah, I can't zoom in. No, hater. Let me see you. Hater.
Why are you gonna post that?